Hi everybody, get excited. Today we're talking all things snacks. These are all gonna be 3 ingredients and they're all gonna be 1 bite. What could be better? And they're keto. Welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Kathleen Hart. I have successfully lost weight on the low carb keto lifestyle 3 times. Recently just got back down to my goal weight after having my daughter last year, and I am sharing all my tips and tricks so that you can get to your goals and stop messing around dieting. Let's crush our goals and get to where we want to be so then we can start maintaining. So make sure you like this video and subscribe if you're new, but let's get on into these snacks. These were so fun to film and make. First one is going to be my cucumber lime chili bites. These are so delicious. You will love them. You're just gonna need some cucumber slices, lime juice, and some chili lime seasoning. I'm using the one from Trader Joe's, but you can find it pretty much anywhere. And it is as easy as this. These are all gonna be really simple. So this is mainly just to get you thinking outside the box in terms of flavors and just create some new keto snacks to wake up your diet and lifestyle. Top your cucumber slices with some lime juice and then the seasoning, and you are good to go. Okay, up next are my Parm crisps, and I like to top these with some whipped cream cheese and some everything but the bagel seasoning. This is again from Trader Joe's, but you can pretty much find an everything but the bagel seasoning anywhere that you shop nowadays. These snacks are also really good for portion control. You can portion out exactly how much you want to fit into your macros. So about a teaspoon of cream cheese I used on each Parm bite, and then same thing with the seasoning. You can measure everything out and make sure you're staying on track. So this one is definitely my favorite out of all of them. These are my little pesto tomato mozzarella bites. So delicious. You could easily go the mozzarella, tomato, and balsamic route, but if you want to save on carbs, grab yourself a really good quality pesto sauce and you will absolutely love this one. I topped it with a little bit of black pepper and they're literally delicious. Up next are my hummus and pepper bites. These are super good. My kids actually love these too, so that's a plus. I just get the little mini sweet peppers, cut them in half, take the ribs out, top them with some hummus. The one I have today is actually an olive tapenade hummus, one of my favorite ones. And then top it with a little bit of lemon juice just to wake up all those flavors. This last one is my radishes with salt and ranch. It might seem simple, but I have been eating this almost every afternoon. This has become a craving of mine. I like to slice my radishes sort of on the thicker side, not super thin, top them with a lot of pink Himalayan sea salt. Don't be afraid, radishes love salt. And then I just like to do a little squirt of Hidden Valley Ranch on top. And let me tell you, this is so delicious. You can eat a lot of these. Check the carbs on radishes. You will be pleasantly surprised and just devour a whole plate full of these. I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you some new ideas to spark up your keto or low carb lifestyle and the snack choices that you're gonna make this week. Thank you all for joining me today. I will see you really soon with a new video, but until then, you have an awesome day. Bye.